Hi guys, I'm Sam from Super Kilometer Filter, and these are the tools you need to install your mileage blocker. Here you can see the blocker supplied, which consists of 3 components. Firstly, the blind plug, the software module, and the wiring harness. Start the installation by loosening the plastic cover behind the screen with the removal hook. To make it easier for you, we recommend our unlocking tools to help you remove the plastic cover. After the cover has been removed, loosen all the screws underneath. You will need a 7mm hexagon socket wrench for this. You can now remove the screen and set it aside. Now loosen the 2 screws behind it with the hexagon socket wrench, and then remove the plastic radio control panel. Once you have done this, loosen one last screw and then continue with the speedometer cover. To create more space, pull the steering wheel as far back as you can. Then loosen the leatherette steering column cover, which is attached with clips, to release the screws behind it. Now remove the plastic cover of the speedometer. This consists of the steering column cover, the ventilation grill, and the actual frame of the speedometer. The entire cover is made from one piece. In our case, the cover was quite firmly attached. Be careful not to damage it during uninstallation. Now 2 screws have to be loosened, and you can remove the speedometer and start installing the blocker. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Remove the plug on the back of the speedometer and insert the blocker between the removed plug and the speedometer. Lay the cable with the software module in the lower area, so that you can still reach it even when the system is assembled, in order to replace the software module with the blind plug. The blind plug deactivates the entire blocker, and you cannot activate it in any way. This is an advantage if you have to take your car to a workshop. Before you reassemble everything, test the blocker for function. Change the mode via the smartphone app or press the OK button for 10 seconds. Repeat the process to switch from mode to mode. In mode 1, 0% of the mileage is counted. In mode 2, 20% of the mileage is counted. In mode 3, 60% of the kilometers are counted, and in mode 4, 100% are counted. Mode 4 is therefore original condition.